welcome to my channel. My name's Emily, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. So if you want to see how I got this face, then keep on watching. Okay, let's get started. I've already moisturized my face, and I used the Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shave Balm. Okay, I don't normally use primer, but like I want to look good, so I'm gonna use primer. I don't know what foundation I'm gonna use. Guess we'll figure that out. Okay, so for foundation, I have the Rimmel Lasting 25 hour. Is that? I don't know what it says. This thing.
What? I had to come when I had my thoughts.
Come here, come here.
What? Why am I on video? Don't I look good?
I'm gonna do my little mix that I normally do. I usually mix the Ulta Full Coverage Liquid Concealer with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind because this one's better coverage and this one's better creaminess. So I just mix them together. I don't know if this one's just like no product or what, but like I swear it used to be creamy and now it's just like not. Okay, let's set, boy. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution. Alright, still like kind of tragic, but they're better, it's fine. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. I was going to do pomade, but like, you know, that's riskier. And I don't need to be like, you know, yeah. So I'm just going to use a pencil. And then I'm going to fill it in with powder. By the way, I can tell that on camera I look kind of weird. We're going to dust it off. Just, it's okay. Me and Jake were trying to watch Riverdale one day, and this song played like on every single commercial, and we were just like jamming out to it, right? And I was like, oh my god, is this like a remix, like a cover of like that song? And Jake was like, what are you talking about? And I'm like, you know that song? Yeah, I was incorrect. I just thought it was funny. So, alright, eyebrows done. So, I'm gonna dust that away. So let me do some blush. I use the Tarte in Feisty. Now time to do the eyes. Oh, hello. Why does my ear look like a freaking elf? So I'm gonna use the Emily Edit. This is my palette. You can buy it all. Just kidding. I wish it was. My dream is literally to like be popular enough on YouTube to be able to have my own palette. Like that is literally such a dream. Yeah, so subscribe, make my dream come true. Literally, okay, so I did my James Charles video and I'm like so lazy, so literally like every single brush I own has blue on it, so I can't, like I go to pick up my favorite brushes and it's like straight blue and it's like, from the Emily Edit, I'm going to be taking, I think it's called Peace and Faith, and I'm going to be putting that right there.
What?
If you interrupt me one more time.
What? What's he doing? I didn't know you ever laid right there.
He lays there all the time.
You laying on the monkey?
He lays there all the time.
All the time?
All the time.
You're a little stinky in here.
Thanks, Mom.
Just a little bit stinky.
A bit stinky.
Huh?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Are you recording?
Yes. That's what I said if you interrupt me one more time. Okay, so last up, I have to put on eyelashes and then highlighter. Oh my god, they were right in front of me. Alright guys, so I'm going to add a lipstick and that's pretty much it. I'm in a hurry, so I have to go. But I'll insert some selfies or maybe some pictures, I don't know. Okay. Thanks for watching. Give it a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe.